plus 43 pips and 1.53% profit trading the London session. Let's get straight over to the charts. Hi and welcome back. It's the 8th of January 2020. It's just gone 8 o'clock. London session has just opened and I've just finished the live London trade planning webinar with the members at the Price Action Traders Institute. And if you're not a member and you'd like to find out more about that, I'll put a link in the description just below this video. Have a look in there and you can link in and find out a little bit more about the way that we trade, and join us if you want. Okay, so I managed to take a few trades before I actually sat down and started the trade plan. I actually took a few trades around about 7 AM London time. And I'll quickly flick through these charts and show you where I am with them. So Euro Japanese yen, got in this long at 82, looking for that price to push up towards that, through that 00 and up towards that 20 where I've got my take profit. Pound US dollar, nothing to do on that. Pound Japanese yen, just taking a trade on this, got in this one at 52, looking for that price to push up towards that 80. I just need to move that take profit up just a touch, moving it up to that 80 level. That's what I'm looking for on that. So pound Japanese yen, taking it long, got the take profit up at 80 there. Australian dollar, US dollar, another trade that I took while I was setting up for the trade plan. Got in this at 70, looking for price to push up. It's already gone through that 80 level, looking for it to push up towards that 00 where I've got my take profit on that. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, another trade I got in before the trade plan. And I took this at 58 and just looking for price to move up towards that 80 level where my take profit is. US dollar, Japanese yen, I have an order placed on that. US dollar, Canadian dollar, nothing on that. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, took this long at 45. Take profit is up there. I'm looking for it to go through that previous day's high, and take profit on this is up at 80. And New Zealand dollar, US dollar, took this long, got in this at 44, and my take profit is set up there at 80. You can see that price is moving quite strong. These the last two candles starting to move up now. So that's it. That's where I am at the moment, holding 6 positions right now. So I'm fully loaded, and I'll probably, what I'll do, I'll take that pending order off as well, because 6 is really the maximum that we like to hold, maximum amount of trades at any one time. So that's it, 6 trades being held. I'll just sit back and keep monitoring these now and see how they go. And what I'll do, I'll pause the video for now and I'll be back in a little while to give you an update. So back soon. So back to give you an update. Euro Japanese yen, seen that price pull back down and giving me a 12 pip stop. So currently down 12 pips at the moment. Pound US dollar, nothing to do there. Pound Japanese yen, saw this take off, starting to move nicely into profit, pulling back a little bit, spiked down, came close to my stop loss there, but some reasonable moves on these candles. 26, 27, maybe 28 move on that sideways move that we're seeing at the moment. So just looking for it to push up towards that 80 where my take profit is. That's the pound Japanese yen. Australian dollar, US dollar, pulling way back. I've actually locked in 2 pips on this just to be on the safe side. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, slightly in the red on this. Nothing I can do right now, just sit and watch it. US dollar, Japanese yen, nothing there. US dollar, Canadian dollar, nothing to do on that. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, see that price move off, started to move nicely into profit and looking like it was going to push out of that previous high. It's pulling back a little bit now, sitting right on the entry point where I got in. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, after that initial move to the upside there, nice strong move, seeing it sinking back towards that price stop. So 12 pips down at the moment and holding 5 open positions. Okay, I'll pause the video for now and I'll be back in a little while. One more trade just taken as price is pushing through an entry point. Taken the US dollar Japanese yen long at 42. Pretty much where it is now. Looking for price to push up through the 50, up through that previous day's high and up towards the 80 where I've got my take profit. So that's it. I'm holding 6 positions at the moment. That's the max that I like to be holding at any one time. But I won't be taking any more trades at the moment. Just let these play out, sit back and watch these and flick through the charts. If I take any stops, then I might consider taking some re-entries. Okay, I'll pause for now and be back soon. Okay, back with a quick update. The pound Japanese yen, seen this taking profit as we've seen that big move on the pound as the pound's getting strong. You can see that on the GU too. So just quickly reassess where I am at the moment with these other trades. The Australian dollar, US dollar coming back into profit, pushing up. Australian dollar, Japanese yen coming back into profit just about. US dollar, Japanese yen pushing up into profit. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, price returning up towards the entry point where I got in. And New Zealand dollar, US dollar, seeing that turning around again and pushing back up in the direction that I'm looking for. Okay, that's where I am at the moment. I'll pause the video and I'll be back in a little while. Just flicking through these charts now, considering having an early day. Looking at profits that I can make right now. I'm currently up, what am I up? 19 pips. I've got 31 pips on the pound Japanese yen. Lost 12 pips on the EJ. Seeing the profit that I've got on the other pairs, but it will give me a reasonable day if I punch out of them now. So it's just something that I'm considering at the moment. I'll probably give it this candle, let this play itself out and see where we are, and reassess then. Okay, I'll be back with an update and let you know either way. So back with an update. Decided to punch out of those remaining trades that I was holding simply because I could see a good profit there with the trades that I had, and just thought it'd be nice to have an early day trading for 2 hours. I started around about 7 AM London time and finishing around about 9. So that was all there was behind the decision, so I decided to punch out. Okay, what I'll do, I'll switch over to the summary sheet just to give you a roundup of what happened today and how the trades went and what profit I made. So there you go, nice fast session, in and out of the market in 2 hours with a reasonable profit. You can see these 3 losing trades that I took and 4 winning trades. Not massive pip wins, but still reasonable profit overall, giving me a net total of 43 pips. And that works out to 1.53% profit on my capital. Okay, I'll close this down now. Please remember to hit subscribe, click on the bell and you'll get the notification as and when I post new videos. Thanks very much for watching and I'll be back soon.